Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing a focused dataset, 550 rows, clear headers, and a sample column showing the goal. Once done, open ChatGPT in your browser or activate the Excel add-in so you can iterate fast. Tell ChatGPT which sheet and cell ranges to use and paste 610 example rows to avoid ambiguity. Make sure to name columns clearly, because ChatGPT will generate formulas and stepwise instructions that reference those names, which saves time and prevents guesswork. Now you craft prompts that specify the how and the why. Ask ChatGPT to produce the exact formula, explain each part, and show the expected result for one row. Once ChatGPT returns a formula, paste it into Excel and test on your sample rows. If results differ, tell ChatGPT the exact error or wrong value and request a revised formula using LET or array functions for speed. Make sure to request both a single-cell formula and an explanation so you understand edge cases and performance trade-offs. Finish by applying the validated formulas across your full sheet, locking ranges with $ where references should remain fixed, and converting repeated logic into a Lambda or Office script for reuse. Once done, run tests on edge cases and summary rows to confirm totals and percentages. If something goes wrong, copy the exact error, one failing row, and your current formula back to ChatGPT and ask for a debug rewrite. This targeted feedback lets it fix misaligned ranges or type mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.